I was just looking at some of the work that Matt was doing with rescue in the long rough there, and as I was kind of thinking about it, I wandered over to this bunker and I just thought, what a great example of how we can kind of take rescue and some of the things we've learned and apply them to other areas of the golf course. So here we are on 18 still, and you've got the bunker on the left hand side here, and you can see where Matt and the team have kind of trimmed the bunker and kind of cut all the grass back, and you can see there's quite an awful lot of different types of grass. So you've got some Yorkshire fog, you've got some rye, but you've got loads and loads of fescue here, and so an application of rescue on this bank would really help and make it look fantastic. It gives you much more flexibility in terms of how you maintain the bunker. You can grow it up nice and long, or you can cut it a bit shorter but then have a much more consistent colour. So I think an application of rescue here would really be good. The fescue probably would mean that you'd have to cut it a bit less, and you can kind of back off on the maintenance, because some of the maintenance around these bunkers just means that you get these kind of worn bits here and here if the maintenance is a bit too heavy. So I think it would really help. One little tip I think would maybe to do it in the autumn. The grass naturally yellows back on some of the banks, so if you do it in the autumn it'll look a bit more in keeping. I think sometimes if you do rescue in the spring on some of these high profile areas like a bunker on the 18th, then it just kind of looks a bit out of place and maybe takes a bit longer to recover. So that would be a good tip. Another thing is just communicate with the members. Let them know what you're doing and explain it, so that then it really helps getting them on side and making sure that they're part of the process. I think communication is one of the most important things as a course manager nowadays. Let the members know what you're doing and you're going to get much more backing and much more support and hopefully much more success.